Greetings everyone, welcome back to a new episode of Safrat and Saifa's channel. Today, obviously what I have here in my hand is the Velociraptor Tiger, I believe. True FX. We just also watched the movie today, Jurassic World Rebirth. What do you think, Safrat?
Yeah, I love it.
You love it. He loves it.
I love the D-Rex too.
He loves the D-Rex. Okay, so here it is. We're gonna unbox this goodie right here. Let's open it up. I think they had Mattel made a mistake here. This is supposed to be the Lost World Jurassic Park logo, not Jurassic World. Okay, because obviously look at the characters here. They're from the Lost World. We got Dr. Harding and Dr. Malcolm. Okay, so we're gonna unbox it, review it. There we go. So we already reviewed the Stiggy Moloch. Next will be the Troodon. Okay, we're gonna unbox this. Our new Hammond. There you go. We have nothing to compare it with. It's just a common Velociraptor. So you guys get the idea now of this, what it looks like. So let's open it up. Get the head out. So the movie Jurassic World Rebirth, there were two Velociraptors in there that only have a 5-second cameo. And the Mutodon got them.
Yeah,
killed them, by the way.
Yeah,
Oops.
Just leave them, fly them.
Yep.
Yeah, just took them somewhere else.
Killed it. Those Mutodons are scary, huh? Okay.
Yeah, the show's done.
So, nice packaging there, all blue.
And the pipe. You guys see the pipe.
Let's put on the tail.
Yeah, the tail.
There you go, snap in. Rubbery tail. So it kind of, like I said, looks like a similar Velociraptor, a common Velociraptor Hammond Collection. Marble eye. Nice. Nice sharp jagged teeth right there. Look at that. Nice piece. So hopefully they're gonna make a Mutodon from Jurassic World Rebirth as well. Yeah, but I heard that's coming on Christmas. A couple more months. So nice piece here. Nothing too special about it. Just like I said, a common Velociraptor. Glad they colored all the talons and the claws as well. Right there. So yeah, it's just a basic Velociraptor Tiger. Okay guys, really quick video. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much. We'll see you again. Thank you. Bye.